Hey there, my friend. Do you feel like you're done with trying to market your business yourself? Would you like to have your own automated, interactive marketing assistant? But more than that, would you like to offer this as a service and charge thousands of dollars for doing something totally easy and fun? Dream no more, because Funnelsbot is the brand new interactive multi-channel marketing bot that's built to do all your marketing on autopilot. With Funnelsbot, you will be able to engage Facebook, Instagram, and many other social media users fast from a single dashboard. If you go to Facebook posting, you'll find Funnelsbot's one-click Facebook poster. This powerful social media tool allows you to post or schedule all types of posts to all of your Facebook pages in just a few clicks. For instance, you can publish multimedia posts that include text, link, image, video. All you have to do is open the multimedia post editor and create your post using all these awesome tools you'll find for each type of post, including this amazing emoji library. Then you just have to select the pages you're going to post to and when to post. Funnelsbot even allows you to enable automatic comments so you don't leave users hanging and waiting for a reply. But I'll show you about that in a moment. Let's first launch this campaign to continue. Awesome job! But that's not all, because Funnelsbot also allows you to publish ad-style CTA posts as well as carousel video-style posts with minimum effort. You can also post to other social media channels from this same section. You simply have to import the social platform where you want to post to, and then to use the social poster to post to any of your preferred platform in any format, including text, image, video, link, and even HTML posts. And if your goal is to save time and effort, you can use the bulk post planner to upload a file with all the information that you want to post, and Funnelsbot will post to all your channels with one click. Same as you can post to Facebook, you can do so to Instagram, with the viral power of Instagram images and videos too. Funnelsbot also offers inbuilt tools to help you power up the content you add to your interactive posts. The Graphics Creator is an impressive image editor you can use to create stunning images for your social media posts. And it's easy to use too. Simply select an image, edit the text, and add the elements that you'd like to add. And the good news is that you'll have a commercial license to monetize all content you create and syndicate through the app. Funnelsbot gives you the ability to post automatic content to your channel by setting an RSS auto posting feed in this section. All you have to do is pick a good news feed and add it here. RSS content will then be published as link posts to your channels. Once you post your content, it would be nice if you could just set automated comments and replies to engage your audience while you do more important stuff, and Funnelsbot lets you do that easily. With the Facebook comment bot, you can create auto comments that will leave comments in your behalf right into your connected pages. All you have to do is compose your comments here, and then to automate those comments to be posted when you want. You can do that easily in the automation section, where you can select the page where you'll post your auto comments, and then to select the post on which you will enable auto comments. You can then select the comment template and set the schedule. You can also set comments to be posted one time or periodically in case you created more than one comment. You can also set the order in which these comments will be posted, and that's it. You can also use the Facebook comment bot to create automated replies to comments left by others, and all you have to do is select the page you'll use to leave replies and configure the reply setup. You can even set generic replies to everyone or compose unique replies by filtering certain words or sentences. What's more, with Funnelsbot, you can also set private reply templates to send private replies alongside your comment replies. You can activate these automated replies in the automation section or add them to a post through the social posting section in just a few clicks. You can also automate Instagram engagement using the Instagram comment bot, which lets you enable auto replies to comments, replies to mentions, and more. As if that weren't enough, Funnelsbot gives you detailed reports of automated comments and replies. One amazing feature that'll help you to streamline engagement between your social accounts and Funnelsbot is Messenger subscribers. Here, you'll be able to sync subscribers straight from your Messenger conversations simply by scanning your connected pages inboxes. This will import your Messenger contacts, but that's not all, because it will also import their conversations and will keep their status and details updated. To help you have more control over your contacts, Funnelsbot will also let you create labels and tags that you can assign to your contacts. Simply by choosing your page and giving your label a name, which can help you have an easier time identifying your contact by status. What's more, Funnelsbot also lets you filter bot subscribers or subscribers that reached your business and interacted with your bots. Facebook Messenger and Messenger bots are transforming the way businesses communicate with leads and customers. That's why Funnelsbot takes its Messenger bot feature several steps further with functions no other bot platform can offer. Funnelsbot's Messenger bot offers you an unparalleled selection of bot configurations that you can apply to each one of your pages to maximize engagement. You can customize behaviors such as replies, welcome messages, and icebreakers, but that's not all, because you can also integrate your bots with multiple platforms, configure action buttons, and create persistent menus that will feature on your automated Messenger conversations. This will all help you to collect valuable data to further reach, engage, and convert your audience. Funnelsbot also gives you access to several advanced features that will allow you full control of your Messenger bots, including postback and one-time postback data management, whitelisted domains, bot template saves, API connector, a web form builder for enhanced data collection, user input flows, custom fields, and integration with email autoresponders. Among these interactive engagement tools, you will find highly useful broadcasting features. For instance, you can set up one-time notification requests for your Messenger contacts. This amazing feature allows you to send notification requests to people 24 hours after they have reached your business. This simple notification request is designed to ask users for permission to send them follow-up messages from your page, and all you have to do is select the page from where you'll send your requests, to set your targeting criteria, compose your notification request, then schedule or send. Easy as that. And what if you want to design your own engagement funnels with ease? Funnelsbot has a visual flow builder, a drag and drop editor that lets you design engagement funnels without effort. Let's create a new flow to give it a look. As you can see, the visual flow editor allows you to build engagements simply by dragging and connecting blocks with triggers and actions that automate your conversations. Let's build a quick conversation flow, first by configuring the start block. Let's now connect a trigger block to the start block. Now, let's enter the keywords that will trigger a conversation with your bot. Let's now connect a text block to continue the flow after triggering the bot. Let's now enter the message the bot will show to the subscriber. Here, I will instruct the subscriber to leave his email so I can contact him later. You can even add a human touch by enabling typing on display and a brief delay in their response. As the final step in this funnel, let's connect a quick reply block to this block. And then let's select email as the quick reply type so the subscriber enters his email. We can now save this flow. That was quite easy, right? That's the amazing power of the Funnelsbot Visual Flow Builder. Funnelsbot also helps you leverage buyer traffic from Google by letting you manage one or multiple My Google Business accounts. You simply need to access your location manager through this dashboard, and you'll be able to manage multiple business locations from a single place. For each location, you can configure replies, reviews, as well as questions and answers. Here, you can also create posts, media, and auto-post campaigns to keep your business listings relevant and the search traffic flowing to help you maximize your profits. When publishing posts on behalf of your business with Funnelsbot, you can even create offers and coupons, all without leaving your dashboard. Funnelsbot offers you many other features to help you add even more interactivity and reach more channels with your marketing efforts. Are you curious about what's in it for you once you are ready to upgrade? Then let me show you around so you can see how Funnelsbot can help you level up your business. If you upgrade, you will be able to set up and broadcast SMS and email campaigns. You can connect dedicated bulk SMS platforms such as Twilio to your Funnelsbot account and enjoy the power of bulk SMS broadcasting from your dashboard. Funnelsbot will import phone contact data from your Messenger contacts, and you can import all your existing contacts yourself by uploading your CSV contact list with a single click. All you have to do next is to configure your campaign, compose your broadcast message, then schedule or send. Funnelsbot will also help you to leverage the most cost-effective marketing channel at your disposal, email. You can connect your favorite email marketing platform to Funnelsbot with ease, and then you can start using the app's powerful inbuilt email marketing features. With Funnelsbot, you can personalize high-converting email templates using its custom text editor or its unique drag-and-drop email template editor. Just add your elements, compose your message, and save. No other professional email platform will let you do this as fast and easily, so let me show you what's next. Funnelsbot eliminates the tedious effort it takes to create email campaigns. Instead of multiple steps, you simply need to add your email campaign info here. Select your email template. Select your email platform. Add your attachment, and select the list you'll broadcast to. A unique feature here is that you can also target messenger contacts from any of your pages. Once you configure your campaign, all you have to do is schedule or send, and then create the campaign. Funnelsbot also allows you to post auto content to Facebook groups with just a few clicks using the Automate Groups feature. Here you simply need to select a page and select a post, and Funnelsbot will pull relevant groups that match the topic of your page and content. All you have to do next is to select a group where you want to post the content to and click on Share. You will be redirected to paste your post linked into the group, making it easier for you to share your content and increase awareness. And if you still need more features, then you're in for a surprise. If you upgrade, you will get access to our top secret content discovery tools that will give you an unfair advantage and that are not offered by any other app or platform in the market. The Interest Explorer tool will allow you to discover interest in a topic by researching keywords using different interest targeting strategies. All you have to do is enter your target keywords, select your targeting strategy, the language you want your results in, and then to click on Get Interest. Funnelsbot Interest Explorer will show you all data you need, including long-tail keywords and terms related to your search, size of the target audience, categories, and topics. You can select the data you want to save from these results and click on Get CSV to download all the data you need. There are also 3 powerful search tools for you here: website comparison, hashtag search, and Ads Master. Normally, you would need to pay separately to be able to use these features on other platforms, but Funnelsbot gives you direct, unlimited access to all 3 right from your dashboard. So if you need to spy and compare competitor websites, you simply have to enter the website comparison tool, enter your websites, and hit search. Funnelsbot will give you all the information you need to learn which site is the most successful, including the number of shares, reactions, and comments each site gets, so you can best decide which site you need to reverse engineer. If you need inspiration for your next ad or marketing campaign, click on Ads Master to search, browse, find, and watch the most profitable ad campaigns around. And if you want to do some market research and find the top content and media on Instagram, click on Hashtag Search. Select the Instagram account you want to use to do your search, enter the hashtag you want to use to do your search, then hit Search. Funnelsbot will comb Instagram for the top content related to your hashtag. Well, guys, I have showed you so much gold here in front of your eyes, and I've only showed you 2 levels inside Funnelsbot. I can even show you a lot more, but I think you get the point. Funnelsbot has everything you need to automate your marketing like no other app. Are you ready to skyrocket engagement like never before? Then access Funnelsbot today, the ultimate interactive multi-channel marketing bot solution for your online and offline business you won't find anywhere else online. See you on the other side.